In today's brief tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to do a 5-number summary using boxplots in Excel. Let's get started. Here I have my set of 25 exam scores. I'm going to highlight my data and I'm going to insert charts, more scatter charts. I'm going to select the box and whisker, click OK, and now I have my box and whisker plot here that has the information for my 5-number summary. How I can get those data values is by clicking inside, right-clicking, add data labels, and now I'm going to just change the font to make those darker so that I can actually see them, and we can see the data values. And from the lowest value, we have the low value 62, the first quartile or 25th percentile, the second quartile or the median, the third quartile or the 75th percentile, and the high value.